John 15:4. Remain in me, and I will remain in you. For a branch cannot produce fruit if it is severed from the vine, and you cannot be fruitful unless you remain in me. Hey dolls, welcome back to my YouTube channel. My name is Tijani. If today's your first time seeing me, that's my name. If it's not your first time, welcome back, my love. How have you been? Where have you been? Where have I been? I've been home, busy with the boys. I hope this new year is going well for you. I hope you're, making the best of it. I hope you're living each day as if it's your last. Since the beginning of this year, I've been hearing, sort of like bad news, not to me directly, but to like people that I know, people my family knows. A lot of people are just passing away, accidents. It's really really sad. It's the beginning of the year and all of this stuff is happening, and it really, and hearing all of this stuff, around me kind of like gave me like an awakening that you know tomorrow is not promised, and it's best we live each day as if it's our last. It's best that we move closer to God. It's best that we doing the right thing, because you just never know what can happen. I don't know what's gonna happen in the next minute. I just pray that God gives us long life, so that we can declare His good work, so that we can do great things in life. Um, but yeah, this is not what this tutorial is about. I don't know where I don't know why I just drifted that way. But if today's your first time I've seen my channel, please do not forget to subscribe. Do not forget to hit the bell button so you can be notified when I do upload new videos. That's what I was trying to say before I went, that, yeah. But today I have this tutorial for you guys. I haven't recorded in a long time. I've been recording for IG. So if you don't follow me on IG, this is my handle right here. Be sure to follow me on there. I think I'm on shadow ban or something like that on IG, because I do not know what's going on with my IG. I get new followers every single day, but each time I post, my followers drop. Like I lose them like 50, 40, like in a day. I do not know what I've done. I've never bought followers in my life. I've never bought likes or comments or all that stuff. I'm not into all of that stuff, so I do not know what's going on, but nonetheless I'm still having fun. It's just an app, and I'm not gonna think too much about it. But if you're not following me on IG, be sure to follow me on there, because I do tutorials on there as well. Sometimes if I don't have tutorials on YouTube, I have tutorials on there. So be sure to follow me on there. Okay, that's what I'm trying to say. I love to ramble. If it's your first time of seeing me, I ramble. I always try to caution my. I'm rambling right now. Okay, yes, all right. I have this look for you guys today. I created everything from start to finish. I got this in the mail from Black Radiance, and this is their stick foundation. Um, this is their stick foundation, and it comes in 8 different shades. So like I said, it comes in 8 different shades. Today I used bronze glow and espresso. I use just a little bit of bronze glow to highlight my under eye, and espresso to contour. I don't really have much to say about the foundation, other than it blend easily. Like it was so easy for me to blend out the contour. And then in this PR package also comes their contour palette. You guys know I use this. You guys know I love this. I use this all the time. Like I've 8 pan in my first one. Let me show you guys. That's how much I love this. But the good news right now is that they now have a new shade, which is dark to deep. Before they only had the light to medium and the medium to dark. So it's really nice to see that they have a darker shade, because I couldn't use the medium to dark on my darker skin clients. I'm really glad they have the darker shade. Just gonna swatch it to just see. Whoa. Okay, so I was not expecting that. My light right now is washing this out, but this is dark. This is dark. I cannot use this on myself. So definitely, these are my deeper skin, dark skin ladies. Wow. So I was not expecting this. I'm definitely gonna try using it as a foundation. It's just that today I wanted to use the CoverGirl True Blend Matte Made Foundation because I haven't used it in a long time, so I felt like using it today. That's the only new thing that I used today. Everything that I use, you guys have seen me use before. And yeah, let's stop rambling and let's just jump right into this tutorial. If you'd like to see how I got this look, just keep on watching. I'm gonna start the look by taking the James Charles eyeshadow palette, and I'll be taking this shade right here. And I'm going to take this shade right here. Taking the Sigma E38, I'll be taking this shade right here. And I'm going to use this to start adding some definition to my crease. And I'm dragging it also to my inner tear duct. And the P. Louise eyeshadow base, the shade 04. I'm going to take this white shade right here. I'm going to be taking the matte black in the palette, and I'm going to place that right here. And I'm also making sure I'm blending the black into the white. I'm just going back into all the crease colors that I used earlier on, and I'm using that to just soften the black. Taking this MAC Jacob pencil in the shade Out of the Blue. Taking this blue eyeliner from NYX, and I'm going to use that to line my top lash line. I'm going to be taking the NYX glitter adhesive with this silver glitter right here, and I'm also going to make that, and I'm going to mix these two together and make it a liner as well. The lashes, I'm taking the Black Label lashes. It has no name. Let's move on to the face. I already moisturized my face with the Lancome Renegade Multi Action Ultra. Y'all know this thing jiggy right here. I already used that to moisturize my face. Now I'm just gonna move on to priming. I'll be using the GRWM Blushes Serum. Foundation, I'll be using the CoverGirl True Blend Matte Made Foundation. I'll be mixing the shade D15 and D10 together. I'm going to use the new Black Radiance foundation stick to highlight, but the lightest shade looks like it's very close to my, see, it's very close to my complexion, so it's not gonna give me the look that I want for highlight. Add the LA Pro concealer. This is the shade Pure Beige. After applying your highlight and blending it out with your beauty sponge, you always want to make sure you go back into your foundation brush and you blend it out, because if you don't, this is the one I've already blended, and this is the one I haven't blended. You see the difference? Before I set my entire face, I'm going to go into the Black Radiance foundation stick in the shade Espresso, and I'm gonna slightly contour with it. She chocolate. She is chocolate. Wow. Whoa, whoa, whoa. That was really easy to blend out. Now I'm going to set my entire face using the L'Oreal Inflammable Setting Powder. Now I'm going to take the Black Radiance 2 Complexion Contour Palette, and this is the shade Medium to Dark. I'm going to line my lips with MAC Chestnut. Then I'll be taking the Anastasia liquid lipstick in the shade Naked. Now I'm going to set my entire face using the Milani Make It Last Setting Spray. Alright, so I went ahead and added some bottom lashes off camera just because it takes forever. It just took me like 10-15 minutes to do this just now. Now I'm going to be adding the Frankie Rose lip gloss in the shade Afterglow. Alright girls, this is the completed look. I do hope you guys enjoyed this tutorial. Let me know if you guys have tried the Black Radiance Stick Foundation, and let me know if you guys like it. Leave a comment down below if you haven't tried. If you want to try it, let me know. Give me your thoughts on it. Give me your thoughts on how you feel about them creating just 8 shades for women of color. Let me know down below if you feel like 8 shades is not enough for women of color. You know, I personally feel like it's not enough, but just leave a comment down below. But thank you so much for watching as always, dolls, and I'll see you guys in my next one. Bye.